How to mute or silence any app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the notifications option you see there, and further scroll through and select the app that you want to change the notification prompt. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for allow notifications, and with this, the notification for that specific app will be turned off completely. Just in case if you just want to silence the notification and you do not want to turn them off completely, then in notification settings again, tap on the app that you want to silence notifications from, and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for sounds. Similarly, go ahead and make sure to keep the banners or lock screen alerts on depending on your preference, and with this, notification will appear silently. You can then go ahead and mute the notifications from your lock screen too. So swipe down from the top left of your screen and then swipe left on a notification that you want to mute. You will then see the option for options, so tap on the options option and then select mute for 1 hour or mute for 1 day, depending on your preference, and this will silence the notification temporarily. You can then open settings again and then tap on focus and then select a focus mode, and under the allowed apps, you can go ahead and remove the apps that you want to mute by simply activating the focus mode. So these were a few ways on how you can mute or silence any app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.